Transcription. It's the backbone of how we document conversations, create captions, and repurpose content. But have you noticed how transcription has evolved in 2024? Whether you're a seasoned transcriber or just curious, this video covers everything you need to know about the latest trends, tools, and challenges in audio transcription. Back in the day, transcription was all about manual typing, pausing and rewinding audio files until your fingers almost fell off. Fast forward to 2024, and technology has revolutionized the game. AI-driven tools, cloud-based platforms, and voice recognition software are now the industry standard. Let's start with the big game changer: real-time transcription. Today, AI tools like Whisper API or Otter.ai can transcribe as you speak, cutting turnaround time from hours to mere seconds. And accuracy, it's improving daily, thanks to advanced language models trained on diverse datasets. Next, let's talk about customization and accessibility. In 2024, transcription tools are no longer one-size-fits-all. They can adapt to specific industries, accents, or even jargon. Need legal transcription? Medical transcription? There's a tool for that. Plus, multilingual transcription is more seamless than ever, breaking barriers for global communication. But it's not just about the tools. Freelancers and transcriptionists are shifting how they work. Hybrid models are becoming popular, combining manual editing with AI assistance. This keeps the human touch for quality assurance, while speeding up workflows. Of course, with every innovation, there are challenges. While AI has made transcription faster, it's not perfect. Background noise, heavy accents, or overlapping dialogue can still trip up the most advanced systems. That's where skilled transcribers remain invaluable. So, what's the takeaway for 2024? Transcription has become smarter, faster, and more accessible. But it's also highlighted the importance of human-AI collaboration. Whether you're creating content, documenting meetings, or diving into transcription as a career, this year offers more opportunities than ever before.